Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Preach. Preach means deliver sermon etc. to group of people. For example, he preached to a large congregation. He preached to a large congregation. Synonyms: give a sermon, deliver a sermon, sermonize.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exempli. His sermons, when he preaches, are modest and open. Now, repeat after me. His sermons, when he preaches, are modest and open. The second exempli. They started preaching in mosques and on market squares. Now, repeat after me. They started preaching in mosques and on market squares. The third exempli. Don't just sit here and preach from the pulpit. Now, repeat after me. Don't just sit here and preach from the pulpit.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
There are 7 ways to spell the sound ee in English. This sentence contains all of them. He believed Caesar could see people seizing the seas.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.